Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add the hover effect on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, right here in the top, you're going to find these two options, create a new folder and also create a new site. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find this list that includes all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, if you want to edit a site, just go ahead and hover your mouse over it. And then you're going to be able to select it and edit it. So go ahead and click on it and then just wait for your dashboard to load. And once it's finished loading, this is how it will look like. Here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit your site. So right now, I'm going to click on edit site. And then this will take you to this page right here. So just wait for it to load. This is basically going to be the editor for your Wix site. So right now, here in the left, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your site. For example, here you're going to find add elements, here you're going to find add section, pages and menus, site design, and so on. Go to add element. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here. Once you're here, as you can see, guys, you can add, basically, you can add a text, you can add an image, button, strip, decorative, and so on. Go to box and then click on it. And then here you're going to find theme the boxes, container boxes, hover boxes, and tabs. So click on hover boxes, and then here you can choose the design that you want. For example, I'm going to choose this hover box. And then as you can see, guys, this is how it would look like. You can just click on it. And then here you can choose between regular and hover. And then here, as you can see, guys, you can change the design, animation, and so on. For example, I'm going to click on change design. And then as you can see, guys, right here, you can customize your design. As you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find fill color and opacity, opacity color, corners, shadows, and so on. So once you finish customizing your box, just click on apply and then it will be saved. And once you finish, click on save here in the top and then you're good to go. So this is us guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.